Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute bedtime yoga flow. Now this practice can take part on a bed, on the floor or a mat, whichever suits you best. I'm going to invite you to come into an easy seated position that may be cross-legged, legs may be stacked, or anything in between. We're just going to begin to take the palms down onto the lap or the knees. Maybe softening the gaze or closing the eyes altogether. Taking a round of breath through the nose. We're going to begin to invite some physical movement to our practice. So keeping the eyes soft or closed if you like, we're just going to begin to sway and circle at the waist. And slowly shifting away from one sit bone to the other. And if you like, going into the opposite direction. And then slowly coming back to stillness. Shoulders over the hips. We're just going to begin to take our right hand down to the earth, down to the mat. The left hand can stay in the lap, or we can begin to take it up and then maybe over. Just taking a gentle side stretch, maybe coming onto the forearm. Just easing into this pose. We're going to begin to take that left hand down to the earth. It's going to begin to take a bit of a rainbow shape, tracing to take that left hand to the opposite side. Right arm going up and then over. And gently beginning to release that right hand down. And then take a gentle twist, taking our right hand to that left shin, knee or thigh. Left hand coming behind. Engage to the side or maybe over the shoulder. As you begin to inhale, gently begin to release the twist. Hands are coming into the lap. I'll take that twist on the opposite side. Left hand to right shin, knee or thigh. Right hand coming behind. Exhaling, releasing the twist, the hands coming into our lap. We're going to slowly fold forward. So taking the hands shoulder width apart, maybe beginning to walk them forward. And then they might go slightly wider. And gently beginning to tuck the chin in towards the chest, dropping the head. Inhaling, lifting. We're going to walk the hands over to that left hand side. Hands staying shoulder width, folding down. Inhaling, lifting, walking the hands through your center over to the opposite side. Easing down. As we begin to inhale, taking the arms back to center. Maybe tensing up the fingertips and folding down. Maybe saying a gentle yes or a soft no with the head. Beginning to release the palms, sliding the hands back towards our lap. We're just going to begin to gently take this left leg out to the side. Sole of the right foot coming in towards the thigh, if that's comfortable. And we're going to begin to take our torso over that left side. As we begin to walk the hands forward, palms down in contact. Or maybe taking the palms up. Just easing into this pose. Beginning to slide the hands back towards our lap as we lift the torso. Again, we're going to take a gentle twist. Left hand to that right shin, knee or thigh. Exhaling, beginning to gently release. We're going to begin to take this right leg out. Being comfortably wide, and then we're just going to begin to slide the hands down. Again, just rounding the spine. Might add a gentle movement of a sway. And then very carefully and slowly beginning to lift the torso up. We're going to begin to invite this left foot in towards that right thigh. And then again, taking the torso over that right leg. Again, you can stay here, beginning to slide the hands. And palms down or palms up. Beginning to release and slide the hands back up. And we'll begin to take our twist. Right hand to that shin, knee or thigh. As we begin to inhale, gently releasing the twist, gaze coming back to forward. And we're going to begin to come into a butterfly pose. So gently bending that right knee, soles of the feet coming together. You might have a diamond or a triangle shape with your legs. Hands along the shins or hands to the feet. Inhaling, lengthening the spine. And as you exhale, gently folding down. Elbows coming into that space that you've made, or maybe onto the legs or outside of the shins. When you're ready, beginning to lift the gaze in the torso. I'm just going to begin to gently sway at the waist, making small little circles. Make sure you go in both directions. And then slowly coming back to center. With a helping hand or palms, taking the hands underneath the thighs, soles of the feet coming to the earth or the mattress. I'll change my angle slightly. I'm just going to begin to take the hands to the shins. And we're just going to tuck the chin in and round the spine. Inhaling, beginning to bring the gaze and the chest forward. Exhaling, tucking and rounding. Inhaling, gaze coming forward. And then our neutral spine. Beginning to return to your easy seated position. Hands to the lap. And we'll begin to take the hands to the heart space and gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for sharing this brief bedtime yoga practice with me. If you liked this video, please hit like. If you'd like to see future videos, hit subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Take care.